Well, good morning everybody. It is Sunday and a beautiful day outside, and I got my LeoVince finally installed. 10-hour plus day, but we got this thing installed, the AIS sensor, all that stuff. Everything is pretty much done, as you already know. So now we're going to take it for a nice little test ride. The check engine light is going to come on, but I'm already aware of that, and I think it might have some pops that are related to the AIS sensor, but that's going to be resolved whenever I tune it. Otherwise, this is a first start. Oh man, it is bassy. Oh, it is bassy. Sheesh. Yep, just as I suspected, the check engine light is on. Oh, setting off alarms. Oh my god. Such a clean sound. I can't wait to get out there and pin the throttle in this. Feels a lot lighter than it used to be, I'll tell you that right now. I smell a little bit of the exhaust, but that could also be because the air-fuel ratios need to be optimized. But boy, does it have like a deep bass sound to it. Beautiful.
A few moments later.
It's got such a clean sound, man. There we go. I don't know, but I might have lost a little bit of power on the mid-range. I gotta get this thing tuned, and then I think it's gonna be a different animal. And I hear a pop every now and then again, but it's not crazy. I think it's because the block-off plates that I put on, that's why I'm not hearing the popping. Oh, wait a minute. I'm in B mode, no wonder. Damn, I got scared, man. I thought I lost power. Now we're talking, oh yeah. Oh yeah, now we're talking. Power's back. Wow, I even have better torque down low than I did before. Before I was kicking in like around 11,000 RPM. Now it's kicking in at around 7 or 8. Wow, that's fantastic. Yeah, power's increased. Woohoo! And I haven't even tuned it yet. Holy smokes. Wow. This thing feels like a bigger bike. Holy shit! Oh man, this sounds good. It's got more power. Holy macro, it opened it up. It opened it up. I can only imagine what the tune is gonna do. Bike. Wow. So much fun. Alright, let's not get too carried away. Put it into higher gears for a second to chill out and talk a little bit. Oh man. Yeah, this has exceeded my expectations. Oh man, by the way, Now, let's talk a little bit. If I can contain myself. Oh, stop it. Let's talk. Okay. Talking now. Okay. Boys, we have got this bike under 400 pounds. And that might have something to do with the acceleration being as it is. I'm not sure if 20 pounds makes a big difference, but boy, do I feel the acceleration down low. I didn't feel it before. Now I feel a lot of throttle kicking in and torque kicking in. Before it was over 10,000, but now it's like above 7,500. In the beginning, I had it in B mode, which was the lowest setting. I'm like, whoa, what the hell happened to my power? But man, when I kicked it up into A mode, boy, everything came right back up. Stick around till the end of this video because I'm going to tell you ounce by ounce everything that I lost on this bike. And I think you will be pretty impressed with how we did it. I don't mind those pops, to be honest with you. I think they're pretty cool. But they will be removed once I get it tuned. Feels like a bigger bike. I gotta try this and my 765 back to back. Wow. Majorly different. Oh, there goes that pop. Oh, man. Oh. I thought this thing was gonna be 10 times louder, super obnoxious. Everybody's gonna like yell at me for having such a loud bike, but man, no, it's not that bad at all. This is perfect. And I got the baffle off as well. No way I was gonna ride this thing with a baffle on. Hell no. By the way, the baffle had a little screw. I didn't put the screw back on. Let me know in the comments description down below if I should put the screw back on or not. Is that gonna pose an exhaust leak or something if I don't? But I mean, it's not really a big deal. I hope I still have it. I hope I didn't lose it, but let me know. The bike feels lighter, man. It feels so much lighter. I almost lost 20 pounds on this baby. It feels so much more agile than before. And I'm not even done yet with the weight loss because we still have a lighter battery pack to put on. We also have a new chain and sprocket kit, a lightweight chain and sprocket kit to put on, and a couple of other things here and there. Definitely stick around for that because there's still much more to go. Let's see what this thing sounds like whenever I rev match it. Oh, baby. Boy, oh boy, this thing pulls. Yeah, when you're riding in 6th gear as I am right now, it's not that loud, it's not obnoxious, it's perfect for the road. You're not bothering anybody. You're not waking neighbors up. I think this is pretty doable, man, for everyday use. Oh man, I recommend this pipe. If you guys are interested in the pipe, there's a link down in the description below to Revzilla. You can purchase it directly from Revzilla. It's my affiliate code. Doesn't cost you anything, but if you want to support me, click on that link and make a purchase. Here we are. It's my favorite spot. Alright, so let's talk a little bit about the weight loss now. When we started with this motorcycle completely stock, it was 418.4 pounds wet. So, the tail tidy that I removed took off 1.8 pounds. The exhaust, which is full carbon fiber, the exhaust by itself, the rest of it is titanium, took off 13.4 pounds total. 1 pound total was for the AIS sensor and the CO2 connector that I took off. 1.3 pounds was for the servo box. 1.2 pounds was for the rear foot peg delete. 4 ounces was for the baffle because I weighed it in the end. The baffle was 4 ounces. I think when they weigh this thing, they don't take off the baffle as part of the weight. But I took that off, so that was 4 ounces. And I took off the catalytic converter holder, which was here, and that's not something that we're going to be using anymore, so I took that off as well. So for a grand total loss of 18.70 pounds, we are currently at 399.7 pounds, giving us less than 400 like I originally had planned for. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I am super happy with this build so far. There's more to come. I will catch you guys on the next episode. Thanks so much for tuning in. Give this video a like and also subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.